Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share my brand new project with you all. This is called the Slider Folio Style 1. What does that mean? That means we're going to have a lot more slider folios coming up in the near future. So I'm going to show you what this project is all about, and at the end of the video, I'm going to share all of the papers with you digitally so you can see them on not me flipping through them here because you can't get all of the detail with all of the lights that I have here in my craft room. So I've got some goodies here. Of course, you know, these projects are all about memory keeping. So of course we've got photo mats, super cute pocket cards. Dad, thanks for sharing your DNA. Now we are both fabulous. And then here there's a definition on dad, someone who gives great advice and is always encouraging and protective. See also superhero ATM. So really cute embellishments. Look at this frame here where you can add your photo in before you mat it on the back, of course. So really cute. This is my brand new Father's Day collection. And again, I'll share the papers with you at the end of the video. But not only is the paper a showstopper, guys, so is the project. I came up with a really fabulous slider mechanism. Of course, I derived it from the original slider mechanism, but I wanted to do something that was different, of course, and that was very functional and allowed me to translate that slider mechanism into what I love to do, which is memory keeping and not just cards or pages for, kind of album pages. So check this out. Of course, I want to talk about this paper as well because it's just as fabulous as the project. So here we've got an insertion point with some fun goodies. And again, the embellishments in this collection are super duper fun. Let's look at this paper, of course. So let me put this here to the side. And then we've got some more fun little embellishments over here. Super duper duper cute. A nice insertion point over here. This one has a really cute photo mat here for lots of photos, of course. And that opens up like this. So really cute. Take a look at that paper once again. So if you can't see all of the detail in the paper, because once again, my workspace is full of these lights that just, totally drains out all of the color. So hopefully you're getting some really good color here that you can see the gorgeous paper. Did you miss that, guys? I want to make sure you didn't miss that. There's that slider portion of this project. All right. So this is my second slider project. And because of this brand new slider mechanism that I came up with, there are going to be many, many more. I want you to note that this is a tray that is sliding out from underneath here. Okay. So we've got our tray that's going to house fun photo mats. So here's a little play on a library pocket. Here's a little booklet style photo mat. And then this fun pocket here where you put your goodies in there. Goes all the way down, of course, as you can see. And there's that paper on the back. How gorgeous. And again, so here's your tray. You can do two of these to put one in this pocket here and then one in this pocket, and then your photo mats in here would fit perfectly. Okay, so you can do that. And then of course you have your one over here. And then on this side, I did a super fabulous waterfall. So what a perfect project for the man in your life, the dad in your life. So it's fun, it's interactive, it's simple. The papers are going to be super fun to look at. So I think every dad will enjoy this project. I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned for many, many more projects like this with this brand new slider mechanism. And at the end of this video, you're going to see coming up right after this, you're going to see the papers which you can get in my shop, both hard copy and digital, because I also sell hard copies. I just don't do digital papers. So stay tuned for that. And the tutorial for this, I will link you down below in the description box. How cute these embellishments. I can't take it. So I'll link you down to the tutorial. Let's not forget that I have a discount code happening right now. So if you're watching this video and it's May 30th, the discount code is, let me write it down for you guys. You would think I'd be prepared by now, but I like writing it down for you guys because it's more fun like that. It's NSD 2020. So that's the discount code if you want to get these projects at 50% off, and the digital papers also, not the hard copies, just the digital ones. So type in that code at checkout, and hopefully you're watching this video on May 30th, and you'll get the discount May 30th, and I believe it'll go on to the 31st. So one more time before you get to see the papers, look at how fun, and that closes up nice and tidy. You have your pocket here for your little goodies. And that is the slider project. So check down below for the project and the paper, and check out these gorgeous, gorgeous papers. So as promised, here are the papers. Here's the first sheet in the collection. They're gorgeous. The following paper would be the back side of that first sheet if you get the hard copy. But if you get the digital, you get 20 unique pattern papers in the collection. Remember, these can come, you can purchase these both digitally or hard copies if the hard copies are double-sided. This collection comes complete with an embellishment sheet, and you will see that toward the end of this video. The patterns are fantastic. They're unique, they're bright, they're bold, and they're perfect for dad. There's so many patterns in here that also would be that would work back for any other masculine project if you take out the dad inspired ones. So I really loved how it turned out. I think it's beautiful, it's perfect, and it is absolutely unique, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. You saw it, how beautiful it looked in the slider folio project. So I want to talk to you about these papers some more as you look through the slideshow. These papers are a part of my Project 365 quarter 2. If you're participating in Project 365, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So you do not need to pick up these papers if you picked up the Project 365 quarter 2. All right, if you are not a part of Project 365 and you love the slider folio and you want these papers, you are in luck. You can pick them up individually as a collection in my shop right now. They're titled Father's Day Collection. I didn't give it no fancy schmancy name. So all of the links will be down below, so I won't leave you, flying blind. And the papers are just fabulous. I love every single pattern in here, and they were so much fun to work with. I will be having more projects featuring these papers. Hopefully I'll have like different types of project, like scrapbook layouts and cards and things outside of what I normally do, which would be outside of my comfort zone. So stay tuned for that. Coming up here shortly is that embellishment sheet that I'm super excited for. I love that I can bring you a complete collection. Please remember that I cut all of my embellishments out with my scanning cut. It does work beautifully on the papers. It works like magic, guys. I absolutely love it. So here is that embellishment sheet, pocket cards, and all sorts of goodies here for you all. And again, Father's Day collection. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.